Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. Hopes you all are doing well. And today we are going to start chapter number 4. It's based on linear equation and inequalities. So in this chapter we are going to do few topics: linear equations, equation involving absolute value, linear inequalities, and solving linear inequalities. So these are the main topics of this chapter. At the end of chapter, we will recall linear equation in one variable, solve linear equation with rational coefficient, reduce equations, how to reduce them, having some radicals with them, define the absolute values, then solve the equation involving the absolute values in one variable, define inequalities, that what are inequalities, these signs greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, or less than or equals, these are the inequalities. Recognize properties of inequalities, that what are their properties, and solve linear inequalities with the radical rational coefficients. So we will do a lot about these equalities and inequalities in this chapter. So first we will underline few definitions which are very important from objective point of view. Linear equation. Underline this definition. A statement in which sign of equality is used to link two algebraic expression is called equation. An equation involving only a linear polynomial is called linear equation. Equation ax plus b is equals to 0. A is not equals to 0 is a linear equation in one variable in the standard form. So what we can say, this is a basic definition, a statement in which sign of equality is used to link two algebraic expression is called equation. Underline this. An equation or an algebraic expression where we use equality sign, this is called linear equation. An equation involving only a linear polynomial is called linear equation. Now here it is a definition of linear equation. This is just an equation and this is linear equation. You have to rewrite this definition and learn it as well. Now see the example. 7x plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 by 2x plus 4 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 2 into t plus 3 minus 2t is equal to 5. These all are the equations. Now we are going to solve few equations, and how we solve equations. Equations are basically the algebraic expressions having the equality sign with them, and we solve with them in exercise and in examples as well. So we will do first question, that is exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1, and first question is 3x plus 20 equals to 44. Here we can say that this question 3x plus 20 is equal to 44 is an algebraic expression and it contains equality sign. That's why we called it as it's an equation. Here we can see that it has an equality sign and we call this algebraic expression as a equation. Now how to solve it? Simple way to solve this is we will keep this variable 3x at the one side of equality and these constant at the other side of equality. So 3x will be remains before the equality and plus 20. When it is moved to the other side of equality, it will be minus 20. 44 minus 20. So what we get here, 3x equals to 44 minus 20, it will be 24. Here 3 is multiplying with x and other side of equality x is equal to 24 by 3. It's multiplying with x, here it's going to divide with x. And what we get here, x is equal to 8. I think it's very easy question and easy way to solve the equations. Now we are moving to second question, that is 4x by 5, 3x by 4 equals to 4. This is second question. I will write down the question, then we are going to try to solve it. 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 4. Now here we will see it's not a simple equation because we have the numerator and denominator here. So first we will solve the denominator, that is 5 and 4. So whenever we have the denominator, we will take their LCM, that is 5 into 4 is 20. We will write down here 4x by 5 multiply with 20, then minus 3x by 4 multiply with its LCM, and then we get the value. Then this 20 is also multiplying with this. So 5 into 1 is 5, and then 5 into 4. 4 1 is 4, and then 5. And what we get here, 4x into 4 minus 3x into 5, and 4 into 0 0, 4 into is 8. So what do we get here? Look, you can see 4 into 4x is 16, 4 into 4 is 16x, minus 5 into 3 is 15x, which is equals to 80. So here when we subtract them, it will be equals to 16 minus 15, its x is equal to 80. And we can see that we can simply solve it, that x is equal to 80. We get the value of x here. Now see the question number 3, that is, it's very easy question number 3 also. Write down the question number 3, 3x plus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 69. Now 3x plus 3 into 1, x is 3x, plus 3 into 1, 3 into 1 is 3, which is equal to 69. 3x and 3x, it will be adding and giving 6x plus 3 is equal to 69. Again, variables will be here and constant will go to the other side of equality. 69 minus 3, it's plus 3, other side of equality it will be plus 3 minus 3. Now 6x is equal to 69 minus 3 is 66, and x is equals to 66 by 6. Here 6 is multiplying with this, and next step it is going to divide, and we get answer is equal to 11. So we will see here x is equal to 11. Next question, homework. Note down your homework also. 1 2 3 is done in the class, and your homework is question number 4 and 5. Only 2 parts are your homework. You have to do these questions in your homework, and you can inbox me your queries as well. If you have any query, you can inbox me.